Voin kan sim hui kal holam arviton tir kong sira kan din line kan ma hian Skoda car aroin pa ka kan en chianga a number te chu TS JV detailin zia ka adang lam kan tir yom maya ka hain rin siak vela chuti lai chuanin anei tu paron chuaka kan han zota min thil fian huwa chumi pia lama chuan ui pahnih an hruai thu le North State zong fan kualan tum thu te min hrila an chanchin veli kan zot doni ti hianin Mizoram anon luta aizol an lu chia lo dewa ta sina kan soyang deu khanin he motor ne hianin anon lut dona engani an experience vela kha an thil ton vel te po kha kan han zot don ni chuanin engai kan zong le.
Can you tell me about your travel around Northeast?
So my name is Nehangshu, and
I am Hoi.
So we
We are
are
all the
couple
way from Hyderabad,
Hyderabad.
and we are driving our car.
with two dogs.
Yeah.
One is
Family.
Dali and another is Miro. So we are from Hyderabad. We have started our journey in September 26th. Till then, we are traveling through Odisha, then West Bengal, then Sikkim, then Assam, Arunachal, and Meghalaya, and
Nagaland,
Nagaland,
Manipur. Now we are in Mizoram.
Mizoram.
Only Tripura is left right now. So yeah, that's what we are doing. As Northeast, like it's so beautiful. Each and every states are amazing. Just each states have its own essence, and we are just enjoying everything, including the culture, the food, people, of course. So
Then
yes,
how will you be here in Aizol?
in Aizol, we are here for next 5 days.
5 days you'll
Yes.
stay here.
Yes.
I see. And yeah, we saw your dogs.
So
What
we
kind
have
of dogs here?
One dog is Labrador. Her name is Dali, and another dog is Miro. Is Indian dog. He is just 1 year old, and Dali is 2.5 years old.
Both of them are rescued dogs.
Both of them are rescued dogs. So we did not purchase them. They were abandoned. One is abandoned by someone. Someone purchased and then abandoned, and we got her. That's Dali. And Miro was accident rescue. He broke his leg. He has a steel rod in his leg. So we rescued him. And Dali is a painted dog. It's very unique. She's the
Dali is
only and fast painted dog of India. She does watercolor, abstract art, and on media she's kind of popular, and people are knowing us through her.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Dali is India's first painter dog, as you
I
said.
see, I see.
So she has completed overall 56 paintings as of now, and our mission is also to travel along with them, both of them, and especially with Dali across all states of India, and she will paint in each state.
Okay.
So one painting each state. So we started with Northeast. So she is kind of right now every state she is moving across. She is painting in each.
Then you have a website or social
Yes,
media site?
we have.
Oh, okay.
We have.
Good.
We have IamLabradorDali.com. That's the website, and by the same name she could be found on Instagram and YouTube as well.
And you have also IG.
Yes.
Can you tell us?
Yes. Iam.Labrador.Dali.
Okay, thank you.
We'll also show the calendar. It's very
Yeah.
nice to see.
So this year also we have done a calendar, and we have sold that calendar. We are raising funds right now so that we can treat more street animals, stray dogs mainly, and other animals as well, like Miro. who needs medical attention across India. So
This is great.
that's also something
Yes.
we do.
And also Dali's painting went through many countries.
Yeah.
Uh,
Globally, many countries have collected Dali's paintings.
Oh, I see,
yeah.
I see.
Our calendars also went to many countries. So that is what we are doing right now. We used to do job. We quit our job and doing it full time,
Yeah.
traveling and collecting stories and
Raising awareness.
raising awareness about animals.
Then what about which places you have planning to visit in Mizoram?
Right now we have to make our plan. We want to visit all the iconic places in Mizoram so that it would be the background of Dali's painting. So how we do it is we go to such iconic places and Dali paints there so that it becomes an iconic location also, just to understand that that's Mizoram. So we would visit all the places and then we would find out which one would be more suitable for the painting. And that's
First, we will visit the city,
Yeah.
Aizawl city. We
we
have
heard
a lot
Aizawl
about
is
it.
so beautiful. We are so keen to explore.
Yeah. Okay, from here.
Just a minute.
Ano ikanen saklok doon ito na yan hey. Hey, tiyan ni na chunga.
That's Milo. That's Milo.
Chunga tiyan hey.
Mama,
Nunga yan yung tiyan mutok na ni.
this is Dali, this is Milo.
Ah.
Both are very friendly.
Yeah. Nice dog, no? If you have
Tala
time,
ni he.
Both of
Yeah.
them are very energetic.
Okay. See you then. Bye bye.
okay.
Okay, enjoy. Nga hay ni mila kan hu te karon kal le ti han o. Kan nin lama te. Karon leng ve ni hin ui karon kaya. Chuan. Hey. Ni na heron kal tlai de waron kal. An tum ma ang hui na lo theng thei lawa. Chuan hey. Kan ni na Còn tên này ngay còn quan phèn lẽ này dấu nuông lắm à anh thèn thu te min sila tin an ui lem zian mun tur an ngai ven mek thu te po min sila chu ta chuan ril ro lo chu helai aizola dokla verte nen te po hanin tong se ruwa man na te po a thazok te pon han siam ho se ti te ril ruwa aron langa kan ria ta kangin an ui hi India rama dog painter ui lem ziak thiam masaber le chun ani a chuan helama ui ngai na te chuanin han bel chiang se kan lo ti ve a thei phei chuanin ke ni aya chiang zok te pon a kom tu te po anom ngei kan bei sei bok ani